What up, y'all? It's David Daz. Hey, like I said, we do this every day, working on bikes, and worked on 3 bikes today. Good Lord, 4 bikes. I had to come to backyard get a break because it's just too much for me. So anyway, like I was saying, check this out. I got this bike right here. Look at this. In there, right there. The Gixxer 600. That's coming on. Coming on. Some LED lights and white and everything. All right, let's go around. Shit. Fuck, man. It's like once they find out everything and find out where to go and shit, they come to the shop. Everybody's here now. I'm in the back. Look. All right, here we go. Let's go and see what's going on up front here in the shop. It's the lab. We got Slim, president of Block Abuse. Check it out. Here we go. The fuck? Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can find him. He around here somewhere. Here we go. Let's see. I'm about to drop down on the ground right here. This nigga right there. Bam!
Boom, in here.
We still another fucking day.
Another day, man. This is what we do every day on a
We
daily
can't take
basis.
a shit without somebody coming over to get some shit fixed, man.
More bikes,
But
man.
we love it.
You showed them all the bikes over here?
I did. I'm about to go over here now and take a look at it. We got some new guys that popped up.
We got lots and lots. Oh, show them the sick KTM.
Oh, KTM. Watch KTM. And it's gonna be free. He giving it to me for free. Look at that right there. KTM. That shit right there is sick. Look at that.
Crazy.
This your KTM right here, sir?
Yeah. Yeah, it's mine.
So what can you tell us about it?
Shit, that bitch is bad.
That shit is bad as fuck. I
You
love
see
that
another
shit.
one like it? Compare it. You ain't.
Fuck yeah. We got Woo right there. What's up, man?
He's a rider.
I'm trying to be on YouTube.
What's up?
Man, how you doing, man?
I'm trying to be on YouTube.
We don't get no rest over here. We just fix shit and keep it going. Lights and all. We just keep it moving, keep doing shit. There's my costume right there on the floor, but I ain't showing y'all that shit.
What's up, boy? What's up,
Right
man?
there. That's what's up.
Block Abuse, baby.
And then we got the Lambo up under here. We're waiting on the swing arm part to come in. Then we can do the rims and light it up in orange and everything. But
Slam.
all right.
That's
Deuces.
both
Daz.
style.